Hello everyone, this is Muhammad from ResearchGap. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create this elegant and informative graph. As you can see, we have 4 subsets of the graph, each based on the year. This one is 1952, and this one is 1972, 1992, and 2002. If you look at the y-axis, we have life expectancy variable, and if you look at the x-axis, we have countries. If we look one of the graph, we have 6 countries: Canada, France, India, New Zealand, and Somalia. So in this lesson, we are going to learn how we can create this in R. So without further ado, let's do it. So let me clean this plot area. First, we need to install the dataset. In this case, we are going to use a gapminder, which is available as a package from the internet. So we can install. In my case, I have already installed on my machine, but in case you don't have, you can use install package function. Then you pass the name of the package. Okay, gapminder. Then also you need to install this package. Let's say dplyr, which is actually a collection of different packages, including ggplot2 for visualization, and also dplyr for data frame manipulation. Okay, so in my case, I have already, so I don't want to install it again. So I can call the dataset gapminder using library function, also ggplot2, and finally dplyr. Let's start our plotting with the gapminder. Then we can use pipe operator. So we need to filter the years from the gapminder. So let's say filter year percentage in percentage. Then we can say concatenate 1952, 1972, 1992, and finally 2002. So there is a difference of 20 years. We can move to the next line. Then now we can also filter 6 countries. So I can say filter. Okay. Then I can pipe this to next line. So I can group by country. Then I can pipe into the visualization package, which is ggplot. Then I can use static. Then I can use x equals to, let's say, country. Then y equal to life expectancy. I can add the geometry scatter plot, which is geom point. So let me try. All right, you see, this is the first step of our graph. We have, as you can see, the 6 countries: Canada, France, India, New Zealand, and Somalia. So also we have 4 points for each country, which is actually the 4 years we have filtered. So let me add facet wrap. Then let me see. So what's wrong with this? Yes, So we have to first it based on one of our variables. So in this case, I can say year. Okay. So now, voila. As you can see here now, we have 4 different subplots or graphs within the main canvas. So let me go back to here. Then here I can say static, then color equal to continent. So let me do that one. Okay, now we can see that we have 6 different colors, each respective continent. Okay, so now what I need is to have a different sizes for each point based on the population of these countries. Okay, so I can say size equal to population. So let me try. Yes, you can see that the green, specifically India is representing here. Asia has the largest population. Okay, but if you look at here under this population legend, we have a very funny format. If you look at here, it's saying 2.5 e plus 0.8, which is exponential notation. We can transform this using logarithm like log. So let me do that one. Here in the population, I can use log. Yes, as you can see, India has the most population, and it seems that Europe also has the second population. So when we are saying Europe, we don't mean Europe, we mean the countries. Okay, so we can here change this one to countries, otherwise people they will misunderstood. So let me go to colors, should be based on okay country. All right, so let me check now. Let me see what we have. Yes, we can add the title, and also we can add a custom labels. Okay, so let me say plus labs, then we can add a title which is 4 years of life expectancy. Okay, for 6 countries. Okay, so let me run this one. Yes, you can see. Then also we can add the access levels. All right, so we are almost there. Okay, so we have very elegant and very informative plot. So thank you.